A starter kit gets you to the first harvest fast, but it will not tell you if you can ever make margin at scale or whether that same box still makes sense when you add a second rack. Starter kits on PlantMood is at plantmood.farm/starter-kits. Free, no login. It lists all-in-one beginner bundles, Thailand-focused Lazada picks, and global Amazon options. The page covers all three setup types: microgreen rack, hydroponic tower, and horizontal NFT channel, with the region toggle for Thailand or global. If you just want to try one of these before committing to a full build, each setup has a kit you can buy today. One purchase, everything in the box, first harvest without a trip to the hardware store. Kits are a valid on-ramp. They are not the ceiling. When you outgrow a single box, more trays, more crops, a cell channel, come back to the how to start tutorial to lock in your farm type, then open the farm designer to plan capacity, power, and water for a real room. Grab a kit if you want momentum this week. Come back to Plant Mood when you are ready to design the room properly. Link is in the description.